Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to search message on Messenger. Let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. Let's open it. And this is the inbox of your messenger. Now you should have to scroll down and tap on the person's account whose message you want to search, like this. Now you should have to tap on those person's name or profile picture which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap on it, then scroll down below and you can see the option of search in conversation. So tap on it, then type a message or type a word you want to search. So I'm tapping hello, then tap on search icon which is available on the lower corner of right side and see, this is the message I got by searching. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.